How to become a millionaire. It's simpler than you think. Seeing people announce their net worth on social media may have you asking yourself, how do I become a millionaire? Yet, millionaire can feel like a huge, unobtainable word. However, the good news is that becoming one is actually more realistic than you might think. These days, being a millionaire isn't necessarily about butlers, private jets, and luxury. Instead, it can mean guaranteeing yourself a comfortable, or early, retirement. It can give you the career freedom to pursue a passion instead of being tied to a paycheck. The public perception of millionaires may be rooted in consumerism, but that doesn't have to be your goal. So, just how easy is it to become a millionaire? Well, easy isn't the right word. It requires a lot of intentionality, discipline, and patience. So a better term than easy is simple. By studying the common practices of millionaires, we can identify patterns and follow in their steps to become a millionaire. Let's dive into how to become a millionaire the simple way. Don't forget to like and subscribe. How to become a millionaire with no money. Even if you're starting out without any cash at all, becoming wealthy is completely possible. Here are 7 tips to find out how to become a millionaire with no money. 1. Develop a millionaire's mindset. So, to answer your burning question, how do I become a millionaire? You need to develop a millionaire's mindset. But more than anything, wealth is a mental game. If you're not starting with a solid money mindset, you may struggle to adopt the habits and practices of millionaires. Some mindset characteristics to build into your millionaire routine are: 1. Plan ahead. 2. Determination. 3. Patience and delayed gratification. 4. Confidence. 5. Openness. The secret to how to become a millionaire fast is to watch all of your expenses, big and small. One of the quickest ways to hamstring your financial progress is to buy too much house, or too much car. You may have heard the term house poor, and this is what it means. Too many people get caught up in the trap of having overly expensive mortgages and car loans that take up the bulk of their income, leaving them with little or nothing to put towards their savings. While big purchase decisions only come around once in a while, your financial plan should also account for small expenses. These can be death by 1,000 cuts to your savings goals. Look for opportunities to reduce costs like your cell phone bill, cable or subscription services, eating out, shopping for non-necessities, and so on. Look for opportunities to reduce costs like your cell phone bill, cable or subscription services, eating out, shopping for non-necessities, and so on. 3. Try to max out retirement investment accounts. Investing your money is how to become a millionaire fast. The 2 most common types of retirement accounts are IRAs, which are personal accounts, and 401ks, which are usually offered through work. You can have both kinds, and they both allow you to invest in the stock market while saving money on taxes. 4. Increase your income to become a millionaire faster. When you need to know how to become a millionaire with no money, it's time to look at the other side of the equation: increasing income. Increasing income can come in several forms. For instance, you could do side gigs or take on a second job, like these work-from-home jobs. Check the video on this channel on how to get online remote jobs. The more you earn, the more you'll be able to save and invest. Increasing your income is how to become a millionaire fast. 5. Use your money to make money. Most wealthy people don't just sit on a hoard of gold like a dragon, they put their money to work for them. Using your money to make money with little active effort is called passive income. The easiest way to generate passive income is by investing in stocks for the compound interest or keeping your savings in high-interest bank accounts. Many millionaires attribute their success to real estate investing, which can be active or passive income, depending on your method. There are also some unique ways to make passive income. Check in the description. 6. Avoid lifestyle creep. As you scale your income, it becomes tempting to scale your lifestyle too. Lifestyle creep happens when items you once considered luxuries are now part of your new normal. As you scale your income, it becomes tempting to scale your lifestyle too. Lifestyle creep happens when items you once considered luxuries are now part of your new normal. Check more videos on this channel and don't forget to like and subscribe for more latest updates.